The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Yan guys, so ayan na po yung aming mga bagahe. So, it's already 7:06. That's Miguel. We're just waiting lang po sa aming taxi. Then, we're going na po. Okay, so, I'll see you in a bit. And I hope everything's gonna be okay po sa aming flight and everything until we reach back home. So, see you later. Stay tuned lang kayo dyan, guys. Okay? This is it, guys. Sa airport na po kami. Yan. So, ano lang to? Domestic muna, guys. Then, from Montreal, pa Japan. Yan. So, anyway, stay tuned lang kayo dyan, guys. Okay?
Halifax onwards to St. John's. Your
Sa airport
flight
na
is
po
fully
kami.
boarded and scheduled for departure. If you're in a lounge, please make an immediate exit through door letter D.
10 a.m. pa po yung flight namin.
Number 4.
Domestic muna, guys. Okay, stay tuned lang kayo dyan. Guys, so sakay na kami dito. Ayan.
Conformément à la réglementation fédérale et interdit de fumer sous la vapoter ou d'utiliser des cigarettes électroniques à bord. Il est également interdit de consommer votre propre alcool, y compris l'alcool acheté à la boutique hors taxe ou tout produit du cannabis à bord. Dans quelques instants, nous allons
this is it, guys. We're finally here. Touchdown. Ninoy Aquino International Airport. It's already almost 9 p.m. Philippine time. Still the same as in Canada, but it's like 12 hours advance ang Philippines. So we're just going to get our luggage, then stay tuned lang kayo dyan, guys, okay? Guys, so ito, baggage area kami. We're looking for our luggage. I don't see it, but it says on my truck it's already here. But I saw mine earlier. Parang pumasok ko dito sa loob. But we're waiting. We're still gonna wait. Stay tuned lang kayo dyan, guys, okay? Hey guys, so yan po is nasa bus na kami ni Miguel. We do only point to point po. Meron na ngayon point to point from Naiya to Clark. So yung diretso na yan hanggang Clark, guys. So doon na lang kayo magpapasundo. Yan, so I show you yan yung sa labas sa Manila. And dark na kasi nga it's night time that time nung nakarating kami sa Philippines. So yan, guys. So anyway, stay tuned lang kayo dyan, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. Hi guys, good morning, welcome to our channel. So pasensya na kayo ganyan na itsura ko. Actually 2 days na akong maaga nagigising. I don't know, siguro naninibago pa ako, especially sa weather, tsaka yung sa mga noises like yung pagtilaok ng manok. Tapos, sometimes there are some dogs barking in the morning. And yan, if you can hear, guys, may mga manok na nagtitilaok na. Kasi it's already, what time is it now here? It's already 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, and Miguel's still sleeping. Pasensya na kayo, guys, kung ngayon ko lang kayo nabalikan after namin nung dumating nung nakaraang araw, and kasi sobrang tired. We're so tired. I'm so tired. And kaya ngayon lang namin kayo na update. So what's going on? And anyway, stay tuned lang kayo dyan, and isasama namin kayo sa aming journey of our vacation here in the Philippines after 12 years that I didn't go home and to see my mom and my family. So anyway, guys, stay tuned lang kayo dyan, and yun nga, sama kayo sa amin. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today is lalabas kami ni Miguel kasi meron kaming pupuntahan na appointment. Yan, guys. So anyway, stay tuned lang kayo dyan. Okay? Bye! Here, look at them. Oh, this is all the same, but check the price. But that's a X shot. Miguel's collections.
guys, so anyway yan, pumunta po kami ng Skyran sa San Fernando. Pero pasensya na kayo guys kung hindi continuous yung aking pag-video kasi pasensya na, we're so busy talaga. But at least meron lang akong i-update sa inyo kung ano po yung aming naging bakasyon sa Pilipinas. So isa yan po. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys. Bye!